Hello, Paula Daniele from Crochet Hooks You here, and today I'll be showing you how to crochet the half double V crochet stitch. And here's a sample square so you can see the stitch, and for demonstration purposes I'm using a Bernat Super Value yarn, and this is in the colour of teal, and this is a medium worsted weight yarn, category 4. And with this yarn, I'm using a 6.5mm crochet hook, also known as a K in the US. So to get started, we'll start with a slip knot. And you can chain on any even amount of chain stitches for the foundation chain and then add an extra 2 stitches. So I'll chain on 14 chain stitches to demonstrate this stitch today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's a foundation chain. And for row 1, we'll be doing 1 half double crochet, a chain 1 and a 1 half double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do 1 half double crochet, then a chain 1, and then another half double crochet into that same chain stitch. Then we're going to skip the next chain and move into the next one, and we'll be doing 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and then another half double crochet into that same chain. Then we'll skip the next chain and move into the next one, and we'll do 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and then into the same chain stitch do another half double crochet. Then we skip 1 chain, move into the next one and do a half double crochet. Chain 1, into the same chain stitch, make a half double crochet. skip the next chain stitch, move into the next one, make a half double crochet, chain one, and into the same chain stitch another half double crochet. Skip the next chain stitch, and into the last chain stitch we'll be doing one half double crochet into that last chain stitch. And that's what the first row looks like. Then we'll turn our work, and for row 2 we're going to start off with chain 2. So 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. Then we're going to skip the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and then we're going to do 1 half double crochet, chain 1 and 1 half double crochet into this space here. So skip this stitch, and then you move into the space here. So 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and into the same space another half double crochet. And that'll be the same right along the row. So you skip 2 stitches and then move into the space here. And we make our 1 half double crochet, chain 1, and back into the same space with another half double crochet. Skip 2, and then into this space, make a half double crochet, chain 1, and back into the same space with a half double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, find the space and make a half double crochet, chain 1, and another half double crochet into that same space. Skip 2, find the space, make a half double crochet, chain 1, and then another half double crochet into that space. Skip the next stitch, and in this last space here you'll make 1 half double crochet stitch to finish the row. So that's the end of row 2. So then you turn your work, and for all following rows you'll repeat row 2, and then your work will end up looking like this. So that's how you crochet the half double V crochet stitch.